Ever wondered how your garden could double as a source of fresh, organic produce? Welcome to the world of edible landscaping, a gardening approach that marries aesthetics with utility, promoting sustainability while providing fresh produce. Edible landscaping is a fun, practical way to transform your garden into a productive space. Creating an edible landscape is simpler than you might think. Let's dive into the process step by step to transform your backyard into a bountiful oasis. Firstly, planning the garden layout is crucial. Start by sketching a rough plan of your space. This sketch should include areas of direct sunlight, shaded areas, and the types of soil in different parts. This will serve as your roadmap, guiding you on where to plant what. Next, it's time for the exciting part, selecting suitable edible plants. Consider your local climate, soil type, and sunlight exposure. From sun-loving tomatoes and cucumbers to shade-tolerant herbs like parsley and mint, there's an array of beautiful, delicious plants to choose from. Don't forget fruit trees and berry bushes for an added splash of color and flavor. Last but not least, planting and maintaining the garden. Once your plants are in the ground, consistent care is key. Regular watering, pruning, and pest control will keep your edible landscape thriving. Remember, an edible landscape doesn't happen overnight. It's a labor of love that requires time, patience, and a little bit of green thumb. But with careful planning and a bit of creativity, you can create a beautiful, productive garden right in your backyard. With edible landscaping, your garden can be both beautiful and functional. All it takes is a sprinkle of creativity and a dash of effort. You not only get a visually stunning garden, but you also reap the fruits of your labor. Quite literally. It's a delightful fusion of aesthetics and practicality. So, why not give it a try in your own green space? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and ideas.